The psychology of persuasion examines how thoughts, emotions, and social influences shape the way beliefs and decisions are formed. Persuasion is the process through which attitudes, opinions, or behaviors are influenced by communication. It occurs constantly in everyday life, through advertising, political messaging, leadership, media, and interpersonal conversations. Understanding persuasion helps explain why certain messages are convincing while others are ignored. One of the most important elements in persuasion is the source of the message. Messages delivered by individuals who are perceived as credible, knowledgeable, or trustworthy are far more persuasive. Authority, expertise, and confidence can increase the likelihood that an audience will accept a message. Likewise, communicators who appear relatable or similar to their audience often have greater persuasive power because familiarity creates trust. Another key factor is the content of the message itself. Persuasive communication often appeals to both logic and emotion. Logical appeals use facts, statistics, and clear reasoning to influence thinking, while emotional appeals tap into feelings such as fear, hope, pride, or compassion. Effective persuasion frequently combines these approaches, presenting information that is intellectually convincing while also emotionally compelling. Psychologists also explain persuasion through the dual process theory, which describes two primary pathways through which persuasion occurs. The central route involves careful thinking and evaluation of evidence. When motivation and attention are high, people analyze arguments in depth before forming an opinion. The peripheral route, on the other hand, relies on surface-level cues such as attractiveness, confidence, popularity, or repeated exposure to a message. In these cases, persuasion occurs without deep analysis. Social influence further strengthens persuasive effects. Principles such as reciprocity, commitment, social proof, authority, liking, and scarcity play powerful roles in shaping behavior. For example, individuals are more likely to agree with a request after receiving a favor, to follow behaviors that appear popular among others, or to act quickly when something seems limited or scarce. Ultimately, the psychology of persuasion reveals that human decision-making is influenced by a complex interaction of cognition, emotion, and social context. Recognizing these influences provides insight into how opinions are formed, how communication can shape behavior, and how persuasive messages operate in everyday life.